Bring an end to airborne contaminants in your car with a new cabin filter from Filterheads.com.
The cabin filter is located behind the glove box and will require uninstalling the glove box to gain access. Use a 7mm nut driver to remove the bolts. Remove the panel. Remove the bolts. Open the glove box. Remove the bolts. Remove the glove box assembly and set it on the floor. Remove the glove box light. Unclip the cord from the panel. Disconnect the light. Unclip both sides of the filter housing door. There may be some wires in the way. Then unclip the middle latch upwards to be able to open the filter housing door. Remove the old filter from the housing and clean out any debris inside. Install your new AQ1164 filter into the housing with its airflow indicating arrow pointing down. Close the filter housing door. Reinstall the glove box light. Reinstall the clip. Reinstall the cord clip. Reinstall the glove box assembly by aligning their tabs with their catch. Reinstall the bolts. Close the glove box. Reinstall the panel. Reinstall the bolts. Visit our website to order your filter to ensure that it fits.